Now, I will show you how you can avoid paying for Google Cloud services if you don't want to. So from the home page, you have this search bar over here, and you can go here and write billing and click payment overview to go to the billing service. Now here on the left, you will see your billing account, which could be called like this or have another name. And clicking here, I can go to manage billing accounts. Now here I can go to my projects tab and I see a list of all of my projects in Google Cloud. And a project might or might not be connected to a billing account. If a project is not connected to a billing account, then Google won't be able to charge you for this project. Although keep in mind that if you link your project with a billing account and then you incur some expenses, if you then remove the billing account, you will still owe Google Cloud for those expenses. So what I can do here is go to my projects, and on actions, I can select disable billing in case I have a billing account connected. Now, while this is probably the surest way to avoid incurring any charges, you will see that you will be severely limited in what you can do in your project if that project is not linked to any billing account. However, you should still be able to do most of what you need to do in BigQuery, at least for this course. And we can get more insight into how that works by going to the BigQuery pricing table. So this page gives us an overview of how pricing works for BigQuery. I will not analyze this in depth, but what you need to know is that when you work with BigQuery, you can fundamentally be charged for two things. One is compute pricing, and this basically means all the data that BigQuery scans in order to return the results that you need when you write your query. And then you have storage pricing, which is what you pay in order to store your data inside BigQuery. Now, if I click on compute pricing, I will go to the pricing table, and here you can select the region that most reflects where you are located. And I have selected Europe here. And as you can see, you are charged $6.25 at the time of this video for scanning a terabyte of data. However, the first terabyte per month is free. So every month you can write queries that scan 1 terabyte of data and not pay for them. And as you will see more in detail, this is more than enough for what we will be doing in this course, and also for what you'll be doing on your own in order to experiment with SQL. And if I go back to the top of the page and then click on storage pricing, you can see here that again, you can select your region and see several pricing units, but here you can see that the first 10 gigabytes of storage per month is free. So you can put up to 10 gigabytes of data in BigQuery and you won't need a billing account, you won't pay for storage, and this is more than enough for our needs in order to learn SQL. In short, BigQuery gives us a pretty generous free allowance for us to load data and play with it, and we should be fine. However, I do urge you to come back to this page and read it again because things may have changed since I recorded this video. To summarize, go to the billing service, check out your billing account, and you have the option to decouple your project from the billing account to avoid incurring any charges, and you should still be able to use BigQuery. But as a disclaimer, I cannot guarantee that things will work just the same at the time that you are watching this video. So be sure to check the documentation or maybe discuss with Google Cloud support to avoid incurring any unexpected expenses. Please do your research and be careful in your usage of these services.